Hi guys, welcome to your phonics lesson for Tuesday. We are moving away from our prefixes and suffixes just for a couple of days to work on some troublesome words. Now these are words that we struggle to understand which one to use in a certain sentence. So we're going to be talking about these for the next couple of days, and then we will see how you guys do on your assessments on Friday. Okay? So we are working on two sets of troublesome words today. We're working on its versus its, which sounds exactly the same. The only difference is one of them has that apostrophe at the top, okay? So be careful. This is what we're going to go over with those ones. And then down here, we're going to be going over the three different types of to, okay? So let's start with the its. Now, the first one that we notice is its without the apostrophe. Whenever it's an its without an apostrophe, it means belonging to it, okay? The second one is its with an apostrophe. The difference here is it's a contraction, so its with an apostrophe actually means it is. And the way to know when to use which one is if you try plugging in it is and read the sentence. If it doesn't make sense like that, you don't want the one that's a contraction. You want the other one, okay? So we're going to start with this sentence. A dog follows its owner. Notice I put the one without an apostrophe here. Now, if I don't understand which one I want to use, I'm going to plug in that contraction and see if the sentence still makes sense. A dog follows its owner. That doesn't make sense, so we don't want the contraction in this sentence, okay? Now, looking at this one, here's the contraction, its. It's thousands of years old. Well, let's see if it makes sense if I break that contraction apart. It is thousands of years old. That one makes the most sense, so I'm going to keep the contraction it's with the apostrophe, okay? So whenever you guys are working with those two its, try and think, would the sentence make sense if I said it is? If it does make sense, you can keep it's with the apostrophe. If saying it is in the sentence doesn't make sense, don't put the apostrophe, okay? I hope that makes sense for you guys. Now we're going to move on to the three different types of to. We've got to, and to. There's three very different meanings for each of these different spellings. I know they sound the same, but your grammar will get marked down if you use the wrong one in the wrong sentence, okay? So the first one, the to with one O. This is in the direction of. So the example we have for this one is we are going to the park. Anytime you're saying you're going to a place, you're going to use the to with one O, okay? It's talking about direction. So you don't ever want to put the one with two O's when you're going somewhere, okay? Or you're giving it to somebody, okay? If it's ever talking about a direction, you want the one with one O. Now the one with two O's actually means also. So, for example, the mayor came to. Now, the way to know if you want to use this is to plug in that word also. Does it make sense if we say also instead of to? The mayor came also. Yes, that means that they came with us as well. They also came with us. What if we plug also into this sentence? Let's see if it makes sense. We are going also the park. That doesn't make sense, so we don't want to put the one with two O's. And the last one, TWO, this one's talking about the number 2. So it's talking about a number of 2. They sang 2 songs. So these are 3 different ways to say to, 3 different sentence examples for how you guys use the word to and which one to use in that sentence. Now I'm going to tell you that 2 of these are on your assignment for today. So hopefully you guys are following along with the video take notes and write these down, or come back to the video as you work through your assignment and let us know if you have any questions, okay?